Everyone, how are you guys? Welcome to today's video. I know this was also a long-awaited video because I had recently unstuffed all of my 2021 savings challenges, and today I'm going to show you guys how I will be spending the $5,829 that we saved this past year. Please subscribe if you enjoy my videos. If you want, you can follow me on Instagram. Give this video a thumbs up because it really does help the algorithm. I would appreciate it so much. Let's just jump right into it. So, as you guys can see here, I have all of the cash. Now, if you watched my unstuffing, you know I had tons of ones. So I was able to go to the bank and exchange some of that just so the stuffing would be a little bit easier for me and for the envelopes. So I did get a bunch of hundreds here. I'm also now going to add in the 52-week savings challenge. So let's just put all the money in the tray together. This was from the 100 envelope challenge. This is from the 52 weeks, so we are done with this envelope. Also, just a quick note, I love using these zipper envelopes for challenges like this because you can put so much money in here because they expand. Now, I used to use the laminated envelopes, but if you put too many bills in the laminated envelopes, they start to rip and break. I just really like these because they're a lot stronger and they can hold more bills. So these are in the shop if you want to check those out. I forgot to mention, I did already post my video of the new 2022 savings challenges. So definitely check that out. I'll leave it in the cards. I'll leave the link down below. But I have all new savings challenges for 2022. And yeah, let's get into it. All right. We already counted this last time, so I'm not going to count it again with you. And we already know the total of all the challenges together is $5,829. This is a bunch of 20s. I really should have exchanged this, but when I went to the bank, they wouldn't even let me exchange all of my smaller bills. They were only able to give me like a certain amount of hundreds. So yeah, the bank is out of big bills, y'all. I don't know why, but that's just the case. Okay, let's jump right into it. I have my two sinking funds binder here, and I just want to start off with the big ticket items and get them out of the way, and then I'll show you guys what I do with the rest of the money. So first things first, debt snowball. I forget which envelope that's in. I don't think it's this one. So debt snowball is the first one we're tackling, you guys. I have accumulated quite a bit, not like a crazy amount of credit card debt. So $2,000 will be going into debt snowball. And I'll just feel a lot better having a decent amount of money go into there. So $2,000, I'm going to do those in all 20s, I think, because this is going straight to the bank anyway and paying off my credit card. So we're going to do $2,000. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60, 8700, right, 20, 40, 60, 80, 800, 20, 40, 60, 80, 900, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1000. Okay, so maybe we'll do 1000 in 20s because I think we're gonna need some 20s later. So that's 1,000 in 20s going into debt, and then I guess I'll do some hundreds. All right, we'll get rid of the old ones because, again, it's going back to the bank anyway. So, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, perfect. So that is 2,000 here. Look at that. All right, so all of this is going towards debt. And I feel good about it. I want to pay off a big chunk on the credit card, and here we are. We are doing it. All right, see, look, you can fit so many bills in there and it's not going to break, which is amazing. All right, so that's debt snowball. The next big chunk of money that we're going to stuff is for bachelorette. Okay, so this bachelorette envelope is for my cousin. We were planning to go to Cabo in March, and I still hope we get to go because COVID has been a little crazy right now. If you guys have been following the cases, it's kind of wild with the new variant going on, but my goal was to have 1,300 in bachelorette, and I forgot I had some money in here, so now I can actually have a little bit more money elsewhere. Okay, you know what, I was gonna put 1,300 in here, but I forgot there was money in here, so I'm gonna put 1,200. So we'll do 1,200 in here. We'll do, should we do 50s? Let's see. 51, 52, 53, 5400, 50, 500, 50, 600, 50, 700, 50, 800, 50, 900, 950, 1,000. So I need 1,200. So let's do 1,000 and then 200. Okay, so we're doing 1,200 in bachelorette. Let me just put this in order. Okay, perfect. So this is all set to go. So I'm ready whenever we book everything. I have the money here. I don't have to worry about it. Fingers crossed we get to go. If we don't, I will allocate the money elsewhere. But today we just put $1,200 into bachelorette. How freaking cool. So the next big chunk of money is going towards investment. I don't have an envelope for it, so I am going to make that a priority for next year, and I'm going to do a whole new setup for my sinking funds for the new year, so stay tuned for that. But I need to make an investment envelope, so I'm going to take, I guess we'll take, yeah, I'll use hundreds. So I'm going to take $1,000 for investing and put that in the bank. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I'm going to just set this aside and make a note that that's for investing. The rest I'm just going to divvy up within my sinking funds. We got all the big ticket items out of the way, which is exciting. So we're gonna start off with my purple binder because that's usually what I do first. Let's just start right at the tippy top. Here we are, we have travel. So travel is getting $100. Okay, and you guys, I'm not going to count this because I'm going to, again, do a whole sinking funds setup video for 2022, and I figured I would just, you know, do my whole setup change and count everything for you guys in that video. So travel's getting 100. For emergency, I'm going to put in 70 because I believe that's how much I need to get to 500, so that's why I decided to do that. So 50 and 70. All right, so there we go for emergency. Pretty solid. And then the next thing we're going to stuff, we're not going to stuff medical, we're skipping that. Car maintenance. You guys know I also have to give some love to my car maintenance envelope, so we're going to do $200 for car maintenance. 50, 150, 200. I really need an oil change, like really bad. So this is gonna come in handy when that comes up. All right, next we have special occasions. That is gonna get $50. So we're just gonna take a 50, put that in there. And this is for like birthdays and going out to eat with friends for like certain celebrations. So that's special occasions. And we have Christmas. We're not doing anything. That's going to be skipped. I have a new holiday savings challenge that I'm going to be doing next year, so I'm not going to need this envelope anymore. But next is family. Family's getting $50. I really like this envelope. It just makes me feel better when I'm going out with my family and I can like splurge on them because I have this little cushion here. So family's getting 50. And then home is empty, so I'm gonna put $50 in there just in case. You never know when you need something for the house, right? Okay, so that's home. And then birthday, I'm skipping. This is for my birthday. I really I don't know if I should keep this envelope or not. Sometimes, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how I feel in the new year. But I'm not doing anything in there. Greece is getting 100. I kind of wanted to put a little bit more in Greece, but I don't know. Here we are. We're only putting 100. It has a good amount in there, but yeah, I still have about 8 months to save for Greece. Okay, so that is it for my purple binder. And then we're gonna move on to my mint green binder. So yeah, let's open this up. Now, new car is being skipped. Nothing's going in there. Whoops. Beauty. Beauty's getting a little love today. I'm super excited. Beauty's gonna get $100 because I really, really want a haircut. So I'm gonna get a haircut probably sometime in the new year, in the beginning, hopefully. So that's beauty. And then we're skipping health, another envelope that's questionable for me. Bachelorette, we already did. Car insurance gets 70. Like always, my car insurance will be taking out, I think it's gonna come out in January. So I need to put this money in the bank soon. Soon-ish, okay? So car insurance is done. So now I have the exact amount I need for my 6-month payment for my car insurance. So business is actually going to get 300 today. I'm so excited. So let's do 100, 200, 100, 200. What am I doing? 50, 150, 200. And then we'll do some 20s. 220, 40, 60, 80, 300. All right, so 300 in business. I need a bunch of supplies, so I figured this is a really good investment, and I'm working on a few things for the shop as well to launch in the new year, so I'm really excited about that. So that's business. And we have date night, and date night is getting $50. I still haven't taken myself out on a date yet, but hopefully soon. The holidays are just a crazy time of year. I'm sure you guys already know that, so I've been pushing off like taking myself out on like solo dates. So that's $50 in there. Pet care is actually getting $150, and I wanted to put more in pet care because I also want to just be a few months ahead on her food and litter and all of that. So $150 is going into pet care. So that's 100, 20, 40, and 50. Okay, let me just move this up here just so you can see a little bit more. Okay, pet care. Right. Let's take that out, make sure it's all in order. Perfect. Okay, the next thing I'm putting aside is actually for my giving envelope. I don't have an envelope for it because I usually just put it in my wallet and I use it when I find someone that's in need. So $20 is going into my giving envelope that I'm going to put aside, and I'm gonna do all ones because, you know, I give $1 or $2 out to, you know, anybody that's in need that I see when I'm out driving. So I'm gonna do $20 in ones. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So that's gonna be set aside. And then the next thing I'm going to stuff is my envelope. I have no money in this envelope, and I figured, you know, with this savings challenge money that I have, I could have, you know, bought a new luxury purse for myself or like gone on like a really extravagant trip, but I wanted to be responsible. I wanted to use the money wisely. So for me, for my personal spending, I am giving myself $219. And yeah, we're gonna go with that. I think it's a decent amount of money. I know it's not a ton, but I can still get something nice for myself or do something nice for myself with the $219. So let's see, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 150, 170, all these 10s, 180, 190, 200, and 10, 215, 16, 17, 18, 19. So $219. is going to me. I don't know what I want to do with this personally. I think I'm just going to leave it in the envelope and then maybe like get a massage or something like that. I'm really not sure. I don't really want anything like material wise, so maybe I'll just treat myself to like a spa day. So yeah, that's $219 for me. Super excited about that. And then we have some money left over. So the fact that I moved around some numbers, how much do we have? It should be $100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. Yes, we have $100 left over, you guys, because I put $100 less in my bachelorette. Yeah, we put $100 less. So we have $100 to play with. So where should this go? I feel like I want it to go towards me, obviously. Do I do it? Do I just give myself another $100? Oh, I don't know. You know what? I'm going to put another, let's see, 20 in special occasions. All right, now we're just all over the place. So let's see, special occasions I think should get a little bit more. So we're gonna do another 20, 10, 20 in special occasions. Now we're going off the rails, but that's okay. That's what makes this fun. And then where else? Family, should family get some more money? Maybe family. We'll do another, let's do another $15 for family. Okay. All right. Just a little bit more. Love to have this a little cushioned. Okay, and then, I don't know. Where do I put the rest of the money, you guys? This is a great problem to have, but I'm just like trying to figure it out now. So how much do we have left? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 65. Okay, we have 65 left. So let's do another $10 in beauty just to have. Okay, perfect. Skip that. We don't need to do that. Business and business pet care. Let's do another $20 in pet care just so my baby girl can be taken care of. All right, so $20 extra in there. And then let's do 15 more in business. 15 in business. And then let's just give the extra $20 to me because, I don't know, why not? All right, so perfect. That is it, you guys. That is how I just spent $5,829. I just spent it all, just right now. You saw exactly what I did with it, and I'm pretty proud, you guys. This binder is stuffed, so I'm gonna have to change out some bills. Again, I'm gonna do that in my sinking funds video, the setup. I'm just gonna exchange bills with you guys as well. So stay tuned for that video, but I hope you guys enjoyed everything that you watched today. Please subscribe if you are not, and give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you have any questions. But yeah, I'm so excited to start the new year with new sinking funds and all of that. But yeah, let me know how you guys did this year. Definitely check out the new 2022 savings challenge video. I'm so excited about all of it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!